Let's see if Puppy stops asking us for food. Watch. What are we giving him?
And that's really hot sauce.
What are we giving him?
It's hot sauce.
Okay, let's see. He's always bugging us for food. Let's see what happens. Here, buddy. Not sure. Maybe he'll stop asking it.
Takes a lick and says no. Turn it around, see if he wants it. Put ketchup. Put ketchup instead. Put ketchup instead.
Turn it off. That's good enough.
No, put ketchup instead and see what happens if he still thinks it's in.
Oh, I bet we can have really bad diarrhea. Oh, here's Jimmy. Come here, Jimmy. You want
He's
it?
begging for mercy.
Let's see if the other dog wants some. Come here, Jimmy.
He eats it without a problem.
Jimmy! Buddy, get down!
Oh.
Get down or I'll give you some! Get down! Back away, I say! Back away! Back away or I squirt you with hot sauce.
Jimmy doesn't care.
Back away! Back away! Look at him. Back away! 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 Oh, we're getting smart.
Jimmy.
Look at Jimmy's like, oh, I don't mind that. He's half Asian. There's Coco.
Let's go look at Coco. Coco?
I'll eat one sausage and all your
Okay.